Hi guys, I'm just going to take you through how to set up MyFitnessPal to help you track and log your food. Just remember that 80% of all fat loss comes from monitoring what you eat, the food quality, the source, the processing, and also eating right for your metabolic type. You can never outtrain a poor diet. So you're going to need the following. You're going to need your metabolic type diet results. You're going to need access to a metabolic calculator, which I'm going to show, and also MyFitnessPal. Okay, so first, let's go through the calculator to work out your ideal calories. So you're going to go to calculator.net/calorie. Hit the go button and it's going to bring up that screen there. You're going to put in male or female because that's going to affect your metabolic type, your metabolism. You're going to put your height and your weight. So I'm just going to do this for me. So 180. I'm currently 94 kilos. And I want you to select here little or no exercise. Okay, so regardless of how much you're exercising, just select that little or no exercise. Click the calculate button, and then it's going to bring up your results. So you've got the maintain for me, 2,300 calories, 2,000 for a mild weight loss of 250 grams per week, and up to 500 grams per week is the maximum that I would recommend anybody do. So we're going to take that information. We're going to come back to that. We're going to get your metabolic type diet results. So these are my results here. Yours may be slightly different. You're going to remember those ratios that are suitable for you. You're going to go into MyFitnessPal and set up the page. So we're going to click on More, which is the page I'm currently on. So it might start on Dash. We're going to click on More. And then we're going to go on Goals. And you can set up your starting weight, your current weight, your goal weight, the weekly goal. Never go above half a kilo per week because that's not healthy or sustainable. And activity level, just put in not very active because it's going to edit the ratios accidentally. We're going to click on calorie, carbs, protein, and fat goals. And here, we're going to remember the number. So let's just say I wanted to go for the half a kilo per week, so around 1,830 calories. It doesn't have to be exact, okay? Then we're going to go to the carbohydrates, proteins, and fat. So we want 45% protein, 35 carbs, 20% fat. That's already set up here, but you can just tap on that and use the slider to adjust according for you, making sure that the total equals 100%. Hit that tick button so that it saves. And if you've made any changes here, hit the tick button so that saves. So that part is done. From there, you want to go back and you want to go to Friends. So we're going to go into Friends and you're going to click the Add button, okay? And you're going to add a friend. You can go via email. MyFitnessPal username is Holistic Coach Michael, okay? And then put in your name. And then you can pop in a message, okay? So you're going to hit that tick button and send that request. That's not going to work because I'm sending a friend request to myself. All right, from there, we're going to go to apps and devices. We want to make sure that none are connected because the system is going to automatically give you additional calories. Also, we're going to go into steps and make sure it's on do not track your steps, okay? Once we're friends, I'll be able to see your food diary and I can give you some tips and advice and some feedback. Now that you're all set up, you can actually go into the diary, and if you want to add a food, just click the add button. You can scan a barcode, okay, and it will directly put all the information in, which is really handy and quick. You can just hit that plus button if you want something from your history to be added, or you can type in a search, okay, and you can just hit that plus button or click on it to view more. You can save some recipes and meals. If there's complex, lots of ingredients, you can add them once, save them as a meal, and that way it adds it all together next time. We go to the dashboard and we can see how many calories are the base goal, how much we've got remaining for the day. And if we tap on that, we can see the breakup of ratios from breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And also going to the macros to see how we're tracking overall for the carbs, proteins, and fats. Ignore these numbers here. I've just added a bunch of random things just for the demonstration. So if you get stuck or you have any questions, just post a question in our member support page and we'll be more than happy to help you.